Hi, I'm Sasha, your creator manager. I'm going to walk you through the CM Hub so you can get the most out of working with me. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you will find your annual payout, deals pipeline, and outreach pipeline. Note, the annual payout is calculated using the date you were granted access to the CM Hub. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find a calendar icon. The calendar gives you an easy view of the rough draft and live dates for your upcoming campaigns. Next to it is the bell icon, which opens the notifications window. Any deals and outreach updates will appear here. Feel free to clear your notifications by clicking the X icon next to each one. At the bottom right, you'll find a chat button. Click this button when you have a task for me. I can do things like scan your email account, track your leads, update deals automatically, create a winning brand pitch, automate brand outreach, review contracts, and manage your inbox. Take a second to familiarize yourself with each feature and how it can help you increase productivity. On the left side, you'll see the menu. You can expand and collapse the menu by clicking the hamburger button. A convenient feature I offer is scanning your email account to find previous leads and deals. This allows you to quickly build out your CM Hub database and have all your information stored in one central location. To do so, you must first connect your email account. Note, we do not store the content of your email messages in our database. We only review each message to determine if it's a lead or deal, and we add only the details needed to create a deal record. After you have connected your email account, go to the Import Data tab. If your inbox is cluttered with spam, I recommend taking a little time to place past leads and deals in a Gmail folder. This way you scan only relevant emails and not random marketing spam. Once you've cleaned up your inbox and are ready to scan it, click the New Scan button. I'll look through your email account to find all your folders. Then, select the folders you want me to scan for leads and deals. Now click the Start button. I'll begin scanning the designated folder for leads and deals. You can navigate away from this page while I complete the process. When the process is complete, you can see the results in the Deals page and Company page. Feel free to delete any irrelevant information. I like to add as much detail as possible so that you can reconnect with that one brand rep from that one brand who reached out years ago. Next, let's navigate to the Deals page. Here you can track the progress of deals. If you have my lead tracking feature enabled, I will automatically add leads to this deals table. Then, as you negotiate, I will update the deal based on the details in your negotiations. I'm not perfect, so feel free to correct any mistakes I make. You can also add deals manually by clicking the yellow button with a pencil icon. To edit a deal, double-click the field you wish to edit. When you're ready to save your change, click away from the field. You'll see the field automatically update. You can easily change the deal stage by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting a stage. To add a brand agency for a deal, search for the brand and select it. After setting the brand agency field, select the brand rep from the drop-down menu. This makes it easier to send the brand rep an invoice when the time arrives. To upload a creative brief or contract, click on the blue button in the field and select the PDF or Word document. If you ever need to remove a contract, select the deal and click the red button with a paper icon. This will remove the contract and allow you to upload a new one. When the content has been delivered and you're ready to send the brand rep the invoice, change the deal stage to invoiced. Then, select the deal and click the blue button with an invoice icon. A window will appear where you can enter all the relevant information needed for the invoice. Within the profile page, you can add your payment information so that each time you generate an invoice, your payment details will be automatically added. You can generate a CSV file of all your deals by clicking the CSV button. If you want to download specific deals, such as all the deals that have a stage of closed won, you can use the filter button to show deals that match your filters. After filtering the results, click the CSV button and only the filtered results will be downloaded. Once you change a deal stage to invoiced, collected, or closed won, a green set button will appear in the deal's follow-up column. You can schedule a follow-up email by clicking this button. A window will open, allowing you to set the date, time, and edit the email message. Click Submit when you're ready to save the follow-up email. If you wish to cancel the follow-up email, click the clock icon in the follow-up column. The scheduled date and time will be displayed. Click Cancel to prevent the follow-up email from being sent. To delete a deal, select the deal you want to delete and click the red button with a trash icon. Note, deleting a deal is permanent, so please be sure you have selected the correct deal. A sequence is a series of emails that are sent in order based on specific delays you set. You can use me to create a winning sequence, or you can manually create one. To use me, either open my chat window or click Start on the Sequences page. When you click Start, a chat window will open. I'll ask you 4 questions. Provide me with as much information as you can so I can create a sequence that fits your personality. After creating the sequence, I may ask if you'd like me to create an automated outreach campaign for you. If the brand you are creating the pitch for is in your CM Hub database, then I can easily create the campaign for you and save you time. If you want more control over the messaging in your sequences, click the Add button, give your new sequence a name and description, then click the plus icon to start adding email templates. Click Create Template and give your email template a unique name and subject. Use the personalization menu to add short codes in your message. Short codes allow you to reuse the template for other outreach campaigns. The CM Hub will replace the short code with the correct information so that each email is personalized specifically for the recipient. When you are done writing the template, click the Save button. Your new email template will be automatically added to your sequence. Repeat these steps to create other templates for your sequence. We recommend that your sequence contain at least 3 emails, helping you stand out from other creators pitching themselves to the same rep. The emails within a sequence will be delivered based on a delay you set. Above the email template, you'll see Delay. Click the title next to it to set the delay for that specific email. The delay is set in business days. The CM Hub will send out an email at a random time during business hours on the day you've set. The CM Hub does not send emails on holidays. Next to the sequence description is a settings gear. You can set whether you want your emails to be sent as replies within a single thread or as individual emails. Test out each strategy to see which is most successful for you. If you want to edit the sequence name or description, be sure to click the Save button. Navigate to the company page. This is where the companies and brand reps are stored. Companies can be added through my email scanning feature, lead tracking feature, or manually by you. To add a company manually, click the blue button with a building icon. Add the company's name and domain, then click Submit. You'll see a new company record appear in the table. To edit the company, double-click the field you want to change. You can also add the company's logo by saving the image URL to the record. This makes it easier to identify companies at a glance. Now that you have a company, let's add a brand rep. Click the View button in the company's reps column. This is where all the company's reps will be stored. Click the blue button with the user icon and add the rep's information, then click Submit. Select the brand rep and click the yellow Edit button to change their information. Click Save to store your changes. To delete a company, select the company and click the red button with a trash icon. Deleting a company also deletes its reps. To delete a brand rep, select the rep and click the red button with a trash icon. Remember that this process is irreversible, so confirm that you are deleting the correct information. Now that you have a winning brand pitch and have added a company and brand reps, let's create an outreach campaign. As I mentioned before, during the creation of a brand pitch, I can create an outreach campaign for you. If you want to create an outreach campaign manually, you can do so easily through the company page. Click the View button for the company you want to target, then select the brand rep you want to contact. With the rep selected, click the blue button with an airplane icon. This will open the Create Campaign window. Select the sequence you wish to use and click Create to complete the process. You can then track the status of your outreach campaign on the Outreach page. Here you can see the number of emails sent, how many times your emails were viewed by the rep, whether you received a reply, and the overall campaign status. Note, if your emails bounce back, the campaign status will automatically switch to Ended, and you may see Yes in the reply column. Simply delete the campaign, correct the rep's email address, and create the outreach campaign again. When a deal has a stage of contract pending, you can open my chat window and ask me to review a contract. I'll show you a list of deals with that stage. Choose the deal the contract belongs to. I'll review the contract using the deal's details. If I find a difference, I'll bring it to your attention and suggest a change. I can then send my review notes to the brand rep if I'm tracking the deal. If you need to review my notes again, you can do so by navigating to the contracts page. Though I may catch obvious differences, I may miss details that are more nuanced. I recommend doing a quick scan of the contract yourself to ensure nothing was missed. To provide you with the best service, you must keep the information in the profile page up to date. Be sure to add your audience demographics for each social media platform and your rates. This will help the CM Hub team find you more potential sponsorships. The Meta Tags tab allows you to add tags that best fit you personally and professionally. The CM Hub team uses these tags to match you with potential brand partners, so update them periodically. As mentioned before, add your payment information in the Payment Info tab for invoices. Your data is encrypted and stored securely. The CM Hub was built to help you independently manage your content creator business. With my help, you can increase your productivity and efficiency, winning more brand deals while building your brand. If at any time you experience an issue, don't hesitate to contact the CM Hub team. Happy creating!